wahala don burst over people. The biggest one don happen now. Nigerian Airforce aircraft don miss. E don disappear. Omo, everybody just dey wonder. I no look me like that. A whole Air Force craft. E dey miss now as I dey talk to that. And according to the director of public relations of the Nigeria aircraft, he come outside, they tell us say they be go for one mission for northern part of Nigeria. They say after the mission, they don't even know how the thing disappear. Even till now, as I dey talk to now, they still dey find the whereabouts of this thing. Oh boy, and this one I never heard of before. As I dey talk to now, even to give us concrete explanation, they never even fit give. Now the only thing where they come out with say this thing is missing. We don't know how. We went for an operation and nothing now. We don't know. We cannot find. See our country. No, make una take see the kind shame. Every day na shame upon shame every day. But now I don't understand why these people even they waste our time. This is very simple. Check the name of the last pilot where ride that thing. Maybe you don't go back and for B0k0 Haaram compound. Nobody knows self because now my people, these people they don't negotiate another word because already we know say they had them negotiation. No, wait till happen the last time. Not be the last time one of their leader. Even they give B0k0 Haaram this thing, what they call it? They give her, they tell her say, if you don't do this, they give her condition. B0k0 Haaram leader, they give president, a whole president condition. Now only God know whether this aircraft now part of another negotiation. Now only God know, as me and you dey here, we don't know. But as they talk every time, anything is possible. And they expect anything. So as I dey here like this, nothing where anybody fit tell me to change my mind. This thing, na B0k0 Haaram hand, it don't end. Nothing where you fit tell me. I don't understand. Which kind level of incompetency be this one? Why una don't hear am before? No, I dey ask una where, which country una don't hear? Say their aircraft miss. Fulani. All these Fulani people now, they want finish us before they leave seats. All of them, they have been sent on this mission. Una know wetin go happen if truly this aircraft wey we dey talk about, if you don't end for B0k0 Haaram hand. Una know wetin go happen next. No, I no even want thinker. No, just imagine if before only weapons where they get heavy ones, they finish people. Then imagine if they can't get this aircraft join. Hey, our world don't finish finally. So now like this, now they find 50 million youths to recruit inside military with this kind of nonsense things. Now see, if I dey tell una something, una know they listen. 50 million this one with all these lies and deceits. Now still they find people who go put inside so that they go they die. Why be say Nigeria own always dey different? Hey, Chineke me. Why be say our own always dey different for this life where we come? Why? The period where US enter northern part of Nigeria where they go rescue their people, their person. They do wetin they do, they come out. We no hear say one thing miss, another thing miss. How come Nigeria own enter northern part of Nigeria and the thing disappear? Our own always dey upside down. I bet who do this thing to us? No, on a serious note, who do this thing to us? I will say by now, all of una wey choose Buhari, I will say by now una dey happy. If I hear una dey complain, una go see wetin go happen to una. Una choose Buhari. Even when una dey see, abeg this 2023, no try am. Before you know, and now the one will remain, they have sold Nigeria, or maybe they have kidnapped Nigeria. They go even kidnap the whole country. Una think say we foolish. Una don't see us finish now. We look stupid for una eye. Una they bring us this nonsense lie. They have the aircraft is missing. No aircraft. Nonsense people. My people are there now. The thing be this, so I say I must bring this up to una for now. We never know say this thing they happen now. As we did like this, our country aircraft don't go. So I beg, if you see her, allow us so that we go come rescue the thing. You understand? Very, very important. And I beg, as usual, drop that comment for that comment section. I go plan on one by one. Share this video, make everybody know what they happen right now for Nigeria as it be hot. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.